Hello. Today we're going to be working on visual poetry, which is essentially adding images, visuals, to the text of a poem that can further enhance the mood being established by the poem. So here we have a poem by Christy Ann Martine. It's not enough to notice the beautiful flowers as you walk past them. You need to reach for their soft petals, feel their essence, remember what it is to grow. And then Christy enhances the mood of her poem by placing this pink flower in focus while we can just vaguely see a field of flowers out of focus. So that's what we're going to be doing, and you're going to be getting your images from this site, Pics for Learning, which is a curated image library that is free, and it is part of Creative Commons, so we can use these images for our visual poems, and that's what we're going to be working on.